Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. So today is the hair tutorial you've all been waiting for. We're going to be transforming Nay's hair from this blue-green to a silver gray. So if you guys want to see how we got this look, then please continue watching.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah.
So we're going to get her hair parted off, and then we're going to be mixing the Wella Powder Lightening Developer with the Color Charms Wella 40 Volume Bleach. Now with this product, Wella does call for double the developer, so if you use 2 ounces of bleach, you will be using 4 ounces of developer, so on and so forth. So we're going to part her hair off, and then we are going to start applying the mixture into her hair.
I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete.
Now this bleach is safe to leave on the hair for up to 50 minutes. I do recommend, if you're going to do that, that you continue to check the hair so you make sure that you're not burning the hair off of your head. And if you are new to this product, then I only recommend leaving it on for about 30 minutes. Now remember, if you are not starting off with a fresh canvas and you are bleaching color out of your hair, do not be alarmed if all of the color does not lift out of the hair.
But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my head, And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete.
So as you can see here, Nay still has some blue in her hair, which kind of turned green, and her roots are very yellow. I do recommend, if you're going with a different color, to use toner, but we are using the Cooling Violet 50 toner with the T18 toner, and that alone, just the 50 violet on her hair, will turn her hair gray, but I decided to use the T18 toner to try to cover up a little bit more of that yellow, and in hopes of getting more of the blue out of her hair. But anyways, you guys, this is the finished product. We did leave it on for 30 minutes and we achieved the gray silver hair. She really loves her hair. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all social media down below. Thank you guys so much for the support. I love you, and don't forget to put a smile on your face, because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.